Can you see your eyes? So, can you see eyes? So you see your eyes, all of you? Can we see our eyes? Only when can we see our eyes? Mirror. Yes. So Ralph answered the same thing. Said, no Swamiji, we can see our eyes only in the mirror. And then Swamiji said one simple sentence. He said, yes Ralph, the eyes are so close that we cannot see them. So in the same way, God is so close but we cannot see Him. But it doesn't mean He's not there. This was a message. I think it's a message for all of us. Times will come in our life when we want to disbelieve in God, in some energy which looks after us, which protects us, which helps us. But we have to believe in Swamiji's word that though we cannot see Him, He is there. Okay, 2 minutes. You will, if you give permission, can we do something? Are you ready to do something with me? Shall we? Okay, sit straight. Sit straight and keep your hands on your knees. And gently close your eyes now. Everybody can do. Gently close your eyes. Check your own body. Your head, your neck and your back should be in a straight line. No tension on your shoulders, no tension on your face. Be very relaxed. Just your back, your spine should be straight. Those who cannot control themselves, they should not disturb others. And you should not get disturbed by anyone, anybody, anything happening around you. Every sound, learn, hear again newly. The birds chirping, the train sound, and you will feel something is rushing through your body with every sound. Come out of your own body and look at yourself. Like a third person, as though you are looking at someone else. Look at yourself, sitting beautifully. And now order yourself not to open your eyes till this meditation is over. खुद को आदेश देना है. Tell yourself and become master of your own body, your own mind. Your mind will ask your body to rebel. Open your eyes, look around. But do not be a slave to yourself. Become your own masters, your own kings. And for next 5 minutes, observe your breathing. How you're breathing at the stomach. When you breathe in, your stomach comes out. When you breathe out, it goes in. Now slowly move your mind to your chest and observe how you're breathing at your chest. Check whether your breathing is fast, whether your breathing is slow, whether it is shallow or deep. सांस ऊपर ऊपर हो रही है या बहुत गहरी है. Just understand and know your own breath. Whether it is coming in gaps or it comes smoothly. We cannot see any organ of our body. Only one organ which we cannot see but we can feel is our lungs. Try to feel your lungs, everybody. When you inhale, when you breathe in, your lungs expand. When you breathe out, they contract. You can feel it actually now when you breathe in and out. Now slowly take your mind to the tips of your nostrils. And keep your mind, focus your mind at the tips of your nose. Your mind has got a habit to jump into the past or to jump into the future. It never remains into the present moment. What happened few minutes ago, 10 years ago, what will happen tomorrow, after 1 hour. Bring it back now onto your breath. Now let us move with our breath. When you breathe in, feel cool breath moving inside your nostrils. Feel the cooling into your throat, into your windpipe, into your chest, into your lungs. When you breathe out, feel warm air coming out. Below your nostrils, above the upper lip. Swamiji says our mind has got tremendous power, infinite power. It can create mountains and it can destroy the mountains into atoms if you wish. That is used as power of mind. Let us move our mind towards the heart, and into your heart try to see a beautiful white lotus with 1,000 petals bloomed. On that lotus, allow any deity, means any god, goddess, or any person you like, your mother or your any teacher, whoever you like most, be seated on that lotus like you are sitting in the same direction. See him in a living form, him or her. And now let us use our mind power more. Light a lamp into your heart, and as you light a lamp, you will find all the darkness in your body and mind, darkness of ignorance, darkness of all the negative things. I cannot do, I will not able to study. All these things will go away and your body and mind is filled with positive thoughts, with pure white light of knowledge, love, compassion. I can, I will, I must. I can do anything and everything in the world. Everything is possible for me. And now take flowers which you like or your God likes into your palms. Mentally you have to do. Visualize the flowers. Feel the beautiful fragrance of that flowers. उसकी सुगंध को महसूस कीजिए. And offer the flowers at the feet of the Lord. Touch your forehead and mentally start praying. What you want to become in your life, what you want to achieve, ask for it 3 times. Repeat it 3 times. You can say, I have become a doctor or I have become something. Don't use any negative word. Repeat that resolution 3 times and pray to the Lord. Be my master, be my guide, my friend throughout my life. If I walk, if I have to choose from 2 paths, give me a good discrimination to choose right. When I feel alone, when I feel lonely, let me close my eyes and find you in my heart. Be my guide on every step, at every step in my life. Whatever you want to pray. When the mind is very calm, whatever we ask, whatever we decide, it happens. The beautiful sound of the prayer is creating a lot of vibrations in your body. And now join your hands and repeat a prayer after me. Let us chant Om 3 times. Together, take a deep breath and then we will chant. Take a breath. लंबी सांस लेनी है. Again. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः. सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः. सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु. मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Rub both your palms on each other and then keep on your eyes gently and then move on your face and then open your eyes. And before you start talking with each other, whatever you felt, let the teachers come and finish the program and then you can talk. Okay children? 12 January 2013 is Swamiji's 150th birth centenary day. Whole year the programs will go on. Will you celebrate his birthday with lot of love? This is the only reason for what I have come here, that you should know Swamiji, and knowing Swamiji, take a book, read more, make him your friend for your life and celebrate his birthday with lot of love. I had decided to give 150 lectures before the centenary year, means this year, and I'm so happy and proud that you people have become a part of my one resolution, Sankalpa. So your lecture is, you know which number now? Today's lecture? It is 145th. So it's only 5 lectures remaining now, and I think it's going to get over in Sharda Mission where I'll be staying. So Nagpur is having the credit of having my 100th also year in engineering college and 150th year in a school, in the Ramakrishna Sharda Mission school. So I'm so happy because I'll never forget these 150. I'll be giving more. I have given so many before, but 150 will become a part of my memory all the time. And lot of blessings from Swamiji to all of you for whatever you do. Become like Naren and then grow up to become like Swamiji. Courageous, fearless, with beautiful personality. Whatever clothes we wear, it is the inner strength, inner qualities that reflect on our face. Teacher said personality development. I don't have to explain it separately. It comes as you look at Swamiji. He was the only person remembered after the Parliament of Religions in the whole world. So what personality he had, let us all have same. So I just pray to Sri Ramakrishna, Holy Mother Sri Sharda Devi and Swamiji to bestow their blessings on each one who is present here. Thank you all teachers for doing all this suddenly at the last hour and allowing the children to be with my Swamiji for almost an hour. Thank you so much. Very nice. Thank you.